take this auntie's money. Why? Let me rush and go and give this auntie this money. Ma!
Action!
Ma! Excuse me, ma! Ma! Excuse me, ma! Ma! Excuse me, ma! Ma! Excuse me, ma! Why is this woman is not answering me? Ma! Excuse me, ma! Ma! Oh, this one don't want to stop. Oh. I'm so tired. Ma! Are you stupid? Are you crazy? You've been calling me from down there. Is it by force to buy water? Ma, I don't do anything wrong to you. What did I do to you, ma? Ma, what did I do? What did I do to you? I don't do anything wrong to you, ma.
Oh, you did not do anything to me. Oh yeah, watch me do this.
You are mad. You are crazy. Eh? Hey, look at my body.
Come on, pick it. You crazy? Why you been following me? If I corner, you will corner. If I branch, you will branch. I just come here to look for my man's new apartment, and you're following me up and down. Are you crazy? Or you pack all these things and leave this place? Pack it. Be fast about it. Nonsense boy.
Ma, what did I do to you? I don't do anything wrong to you, but this is my business. What am I going to do? My son is not going to eat today. This is the what I'm going to say to him and eat.
If I hear your voice again, you will see what I will do to you. Look at him, useless boy.
Jesus Christ. Babe!
My business.
Sweetheart.
What is going on here?
Nothing is going on.
Which one? Nothing is going on. Little boy.
Hey, don't touch the boy. Don't touch him. The boy is infected, okay? Don't
Infected?
touch him.
Little boy, what is it? Who did this?
Oh.
Babe, what is going on?
Baby, nothing is going on. Actually, the boy fell there and his goose and his market, everything spoiled.
Which one? The boy fell down and the goose and the market spoiled.
Yes. I was trying to help him, though. You can look at my body. Look at my body. Look at my body. Why I was trying to help him.
Look at your body.
Yes.
Little boy.
Baby, don't touch
What
him.
is it?
Don't
What
touch
happened?
him.
Talk to me.
Your wife spoiled my daughter.
What? Babe, you do this thing?
What did you just say? Baby,
What kind of a heart do you have?
Baby, you know I have soft heart. You know I have good heart. I cannot do this thing to him.
You cannot do what?
I cannot spoil his market.
Jesus Christ. You mean my babe do this to you?
Baby, don't mind this boy. Hey, baby, but your house was so far.
Are you mad? Can't you listen to this boy? What did this boy do to you? What did he do to you? Little boy, tell me what happened. Why did she treat you this way?
I was calling her. She was working. Somebody stole her money. And I collected it. I was calling her so that I give her back her money. She now put my water down and match it.
Somebody stole her money.
Yes.
And you are calling her. She didn't listen.
Yes.
Jesus. Is it not the money I asked you to bring for me?
That's the money.
Where is the money?
No, that's the money. I put the money inside my bag. That's the money.
You put the money where?
Inside my bag.
inside your bag, you said.
Yes.
You put the money inside your bag.
Yes, baby. I don't know.
Somebody stole this money.
Jesus.
Huh? You see that somebody stole this money from her?
Yes.
And you collected this money from the person. And you are calling her. She didn't listen to you. How she do this to you?
I don't know. I was thinking the boy was trying to force me to buy his pure water.
Try to force you to do what?
I don't know. He's calling me because of this money. I don't know.
Jesus Christ. Because this boy lended. Save you, save your money. My money. Look at how you paid this boy back. Eh? Look at how you paid this boy.
Baby, I don't know.
And I wanted to tell this guy, you said that this guy was infected with what? What you just said?
I can't remember.
Look at what you did to this boy business. Do you know how many people will benefit from this guy income, his daily income?
Baby,
Look at the little boy. Look at what you do to his business.
I did not do it intentional.
What kind
I'm
of a heart do
sorry.
you have?
I'm
I'm asking you.
I have a good heart.
You have a good heart,
Yes.
and you do this to this little boy.
I was very, very angry.
You do this to this little boy. See, you are a demon.
Me?
You are a demon. I never know that you have this kind of heart. I never know that you have this kind of wicked. You have this kind of wickedness in your heart.
Baby, no, I'm not like
Your
that.
heart is bitter.
Me?
Yes.
Baby, I'm not like that.
You are not worthy to be my
Oh
girlfriend.
my God.
You are not worthy. Hey, don't come closer to me. I say you should stand there and stop touching this boy. This boy is your life savior. Do you know where I will put you if you don't find this money for me? If you lost this money, do you think I will take it easy with you? Do you think it's easy to make money? Do you know how much is this thing? Do you know how much is here? More than $50,000.
Baby, what are you trying to say? You are trying to tell me that you are going to put me behind the bus if I lose this
You are
money?
very stupid.
Me?
Look at what you do to this boy.
I said I'm sorry.
Do you know how much is this? Do you know? Just look at. If I use this, I will use it and pour your face.
Baby, it's not expensive. Just give the boy 500 naira and the boy can go. Okay?
I should give the boy 500 naira.
Yes.
Esther,
Baby.
you are a devil.
Baby, I'm not.
You don't have a human sympathy. You can't even tender apology. You can't even kneel down and beg this boy for forgiveness.
Huh? Me of all people kneel down for this little rat because I spoiled this. That doesn't worth even 1,000 naira. Baby, no, stop this now. You're embarrassing me. It's okay. Just give the boy 1,000 naira and he will go. Let's settle ourselves, okay? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Baby, give me 1,000.
I regret knowing you.
Baby, no now.
I regret knowing you. I just want you to do me a favor. Please. Get out of here.
Just like that?
And please, don't ever come to my house again. Everything that we ever have is now in the past. For you to have this kind of heart and treat this boy that save you from, do you know what you will go through if it was this way? Assuming that boy is also dead. And this boy was calling you, look at how you paid him. You can't even give him a listening ear. Can't even give him a listening ear. Rather, you develop anger and show your talent, show the kind of heart that you have. I say you should get out of here.
See, baby, it have not.
I said don't come close to me from like this. Get out of
We
here.
can settle this.
Settle what?
I did not do this.
Settle what? I'm asking
We
you.
can settle this. Yeah, it's not over
If
between
not
us.
because I met you here, you would have entered this and this boy would just cry and go back home.
See, baby, remember
Do you know whether he feed his parents with this water?
Baby,
Do you know how many people that depend on this water for lively survival?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I said you get out of here.
It will never happen again.
Get out. Hey.
I'll beg him for me, okay?
I said you should get out of here.
Jesus. Baby, I tried so hard to
Just look at her. I'm very, very sorry, okay? What's your name? Your name is Wisdom. Listen, Wisdom. From today upwards, you're not going to say this word again. Okay? I will take good care of you. I will take good care of your family. In fact, all your siblings, I will take good care of them. Okay? Are you in school? You are not going to school. I will make sure that I will put you in school. Okay? From today upwards, you will stop selling this water. Where do you live?
I live around here.
Around this side. No problem. You will take me to your mother. I want to see your parents. From today upwards, you are not going to stay with them again. You are going to stay with me. Okay? Are you hearing me? No problem. Come and show me your parents' house. I'm very, very sorry. Okay? I will pay for all these things. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Let's go. You say this way, right? Let's go. Could you imagine?